future, I think there's going to be a place where you can go with your family called Rainbow Land. It has rainbow houses, rainbow hair, rainbows, and it's the perfect place for you and your family.
In the future, there'll be flying police cars,
floating cities. We will live in grand palaces.
we'll fly in rocket boots.
People will stop picking up trash and try to save the world. The human empire will be gigantic and stretch across multiple planets.
In the future, the buildings will be cylindrical and will be a cyan colour to start with, but changes colour to how you are feeling.
I want the future to be like lots of rainbows and flowers, and it'll have a really good environment. Everyone will have their own castles and we'll all live happily.
In the future, I hope there's more places for children to be taken care of.
I've got certain hopes for the future, which are where people stop littering, animals stop going extinct, and people don't get bullied.
I hope that in the future, robots will be cleaning the world up from global warming and animal extinction.
In the future, I want everyone to have floating houses and people to have badges that can turn into anything they want. And I want everyone to have one language that's from different countries.